Hello everyone, welcome back with a very useful and informative video. If you're trying to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device and you're having this type of problem, sign out is not available due to restrictions. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. If you're trying to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device and you're facing this type of error, sign out is not available due to restrictions after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem and how you can sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device without any problem. So now let's get started. First of all, here you need to open setting, then tap on general, then scroll down, then tap on software update. And first of all, you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, go back again, then again open setting, then tap on general. Then scroll down, then here you'll have to scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, then after that go back, then again open setting, then scroll down, then here you will have to search for screen time. Here screen time, you need to tap on this. Then here you'll have to tap on content and privacy restriction. Then here you will have to enable this toggle from here. So after that, go back again, then here you'll have tap on change screen time passcode. Then here you'll have tap on turn off screen time passcode. Here you'll have to enter your screen time passcode. Then scroll it up, then tap on content and privacy restriction. Then here you'll have to disable this from here. So after that, again go back, then here you'll have to refresh your iPhone settings. Then here you need to tap on your Apple ID profile. So after that, here you'll have to scroll it up. Then now you can see that the sign out of your Apple ID is available. Now you can sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device without any problem. So in this way you can fix this problem and you can easily sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get me all the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.